Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see another three DAX functions, that is DATESYTD, DATESQTD and DATESMTD. So basically the DATESYTD, DATESQTD and MTD we use to do the running total. Like suppose firstly we will see the data and then we will see the use of our functions, right? So we have the data for the players and their runs and respective data, right? So we uh, want to find the total runs for the year, right? Then we need to use the YTD. And if you want to find the total runs for the quarter, we need to use the DATESQTD. And if you want to find total runs for the month, but there is a question, like suppose we have the data for the 3 years or 4 years, then at that time DATESYTD will return the total runs for the latest year. Latest means like we have the data for 16 to 20, then it will return the data for the latest year, that is 20. So let's see the practically. Firstly, DATESYTD, QTD, MTD we must need to use with the calculate or total YTD, QTD and MTD. We can't use this function. So what I will do, firstly we will see the DATESYTD. So I will just click on our table and right click new measure, right? So I will give the our measure name as a DATESYTD equal to, so as I mentioned, we must need to use the DATESYTD with the calculate or total YTD. So expression, so what we want total runs. So total runs means we want the sum, right, of the runs. So I will use the sums. Then after that we need to use the DATESYTD. So I will use the DATESYTD. Here we just need to mention the our date column and second option. So here our date column is cricket and date, and here in like maybe the in some situation we like year start from April, like in India financial year start from the 1st April. So what is the year end date? So year end date is 31st March, but here this is optional parameter, so we are not giving. Just click on the yes button. Now we will see the result. So what I will do, to want to see the result, I will just create a one table, right? So in that table I will just add our players name firstly. So our players name, so we have the players like Dhoni, Jadeja, KL, Rohit, Smith and Warner. Now I will just drag and drop the DATESYTD. So here for the Dhoni 2000, so like I think we have the data for 90, 20, so 21. So out of 3 years it will giving the data for the 21 total runs from the starting of the date and till the whatever the month is available. Maybe we have the data for only till the September or October. So it will give the total runs for the total YTD, means running total 1 2 3. Suppose we have the 1 2 3, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, like that. So it will give the cumulative total or running total. So to understand more, I will just drag our date function and I will remove our player name. Now as I mentioned, it will give the latest year date total runs. So I will remove all the parameter, like I will kept only this one. So I will also add the player's name. So now you can see, so here you can see the player's name. So but as I mentioned, so it will give the latest year. So here, like suppose if I do the sorting, so latest year, so latest year is 1141. So it give Dhoni total run for the 21 is 1141 and KL is 525. So just don't forget Dhoni is 1141 total runs and KL is 551. So what I will do now, I remove the dates. So Dhoni's run is 1141. So you can see, so it will give you the total runs for the 21 and KL is 521. So it's both the runs from the 21. So for all the players, this runs for the 21 latest year. Now what we will do, so we will just see the dates YTD. So I will copy the previous or major, that is dates YTD, and now I will paste and rename as a DATESQTD. So here I just changed our Y with the Q, and here also syntax is very easy. We just need to, I will click on the S button. So now I think it's working. So I will, now it's done. I will just drag and drop our measure to the table. Now it's saying Dhoni 620. So it's for the 21 latest quarter, right? Whatever the date. So if you want to see the latest quarter, what I will do again, and drag and drop our date column, and I will remove the month and year. So here if I remove the date, so what we are getting for the Dhoni, we are getting 620, and Jadeja we are getting 367. So I will now add drag, and let's see the which is the latest quarter is considering. So it's consider the latest quarter as a latest year. So I will remove now 620. So if I sort this year 620, so I will just this one, wait, so 620. So you can see in quarter 4 for the year 21 we have the 620 runs for the Dhoni, and in quarter 4 for the year 21 we have the total runs, that is 367. So that's all about the dates YTD. So I will, now I'm removing the date, and now we will see the dates MTD. So what is our latest month in our date column? So it will give the total runs for that month. Now I will click on the new measure, and I will just paste our previous DAX and just rename as a MTD. So I will remove it, and I will just click on. So it's working. So now we will see the data, and let's see the latest date. So we have the latest date, that is November 21, and for that we have the Dhoni's run is 620, Rohit run is 308. So just keep this number 620 for the Dhoni, and for the Rohit we have the total runs 308, right? So I will just drag and drop our measure 620 and 308. So you can see the numbers that we just saw, right? So just keep in mind dates YTD, dates QTD and dates MTD. It will give the latest runs according to year, quarter and month. And if you ask, like someone asked, like what is the difference between total YTD, dates YTD, what is total QTD, dates QTD, total MTD and dates MTD. So dates, whatever the dates related QTD MTD, we must need to use with calculate and total YTD. So but in total YTD we don't need to use calculate. So there we have the option to give the use the filter and perform the operation like sum, max, mean, average. So that's all about the today's video. If you have any question, please write down in comment, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.